Hello and welcome to this month's edition of SIDEBAR'D. This is sound information designed to educate you beyond a reasonable doubt. And this is just an intro video to our monthly newsletter, which I hope you will find educational and enjoyable. But unfortunately, I'm starting off this month's edition with some sad news. If you hadn't already heard, just want to talk briefly about John Singleton. Stroke, then coma, then gone at age 51. Award-winning writer and director. And there are many things that are probably going on with the family. And of course, we extend our condolences to his family and his many fans. But let's talk just briefly about what happened days before his passing. In fact, what was reported in the news was that his mother had applied for a temporary conservatorship over him to handle his financial affairs. And his daughter was contesting that, arguing that she as in the mom, just wanted to get her hands on his finances and get into his money and just get access to everything or control over everything. Sad state of affairs. And like I said, that was just days before he passed away. So needless to say, it looks like some things were not in place, such as a power of attorney, which would have given him the choice of who to be in control of his financial affairs, should he become incapacitated, which he was, of course. And then by doing that or having that in place, no one would have had to go through the courts to get a conservatorship. That should have been a last resort sort of thing. So it's unfortunate, and it happens all the time. And you don't have to be famous for this to happen to you or your family. And so we kind of talked about this last time, and I'm urging you again, if you haven't already done so, to please get your estate plan in place. That includes not only a will or a trust, but also a power of attorney to work for you while you're still here. But in case you have a situation like Mr. Singleton, where you're in the hospital or you're just not in a position to make those decisions for yourself, and you have a trusted person in place to do that and act on your behalf, as well as a healthcare directive, an advanced healthcare directive, or living will. So we were to hold each other accountable from our last time together, and I hope you've gotten your things done. And if not, please don't put it off anymore. To hold me accountable, I'm 75% done with my documentation. So I still have a little bit to go too. And that, again, that procrastination thing is the devil. So we've got to fight through that and get these things done, because you just never know what can happen. So stay safe out there, be careful, take care of your business now versus having to have someone else worry about it later, and we'll see you next time.